Here I want to quote two ayat of the Quran. What type of shirk is meant here? There are so many types of shirk. If you believe in son of Allah or daughter of Allah, it's shirk. If you are worshipping idols, it is shirk. But there is a special type of shirk which is meant here. In ayah number 159 of Surah Al-An'am, إِنَّ الَّذِينَ فَرَّقُوا دِينَهُمْ وَكَانُوا شِيَعًا لَسْتَ مِنْهُمْ فِي شَيْءٍ. Farq means to break something. فَرَّقَ يُفَرِّقُ تَفْرِيقًا, break into pieces. Verily those who divide their deen into parts and portions. In one part of our life, we shall obey Allah. In the other part of the life, we shall obey the majority. You have divided the system of obedience. In one part of my life or in some aspects, I will obey Allah. In others, I will obey my own nafs. You are divided. Obedience has been divided. This obedience has been divided. Allazina farraqu deenahum. It has to be totally for Allah. This is the same concept. أَفَتُؤْمِنُونَ بِبَعْضِ الْكِتَابِ وَتَكْفُرُونَ بِبَعْضٍ. Do you want to obey part of our law and reject the other part of the law, of the Sharia? فَمَا جَزَاءُ مَنْ يَفْعَلُ ذَلِكَ مِنْكُمْ إِلَّا خِزْيٌ فِي الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا وَيَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ يُرَدُّونَ إِلَىٰ أَشَدِّ الْعَذَابِ. There can be no punishment for those who take to this attitude of dividing the religion, dividing the system, accepting a part of it, and rejecting the other part. Except that they should be put to extreme humiliation in this world, the life of this world. And on the day of judgment, وَيَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ يُرَدُّونَ إِلَىٰ أَشَدِّ الْعَذَابِ. They should be thrown in the worst of the punishments.